students. Today we'll see the answers for 8th class FA1 maths paper. Okay, which is held today on 11th August 2025. Okay, see the first question. It is, which of the following is an integer? It's very clear that 5 by 3 is a fraction. Minus 6 by 3, you can cancel that 6 with 3, that is 3 2s are 6, that is minus 2. So minus 2 is an integer. Okay, again 7 by 3 minus 8 by 3 are still not integers. So option B is the right answer. Option B is the right answer. I hope my opinion is this question has to be asked for class 7th, I think. So it's option B. Okay, anyway, we'll see the question number 2. Which of the following equation is same as the equation 2x minus 3 is equal to 6x plus 4? So here, if you bring that 6x towards 2x, it becomes 2x minus 6x. 2x minus 6x is equal to minus 4x. This minus 3 sent that side becomes plus 3. So it becomes minus 4x is equal to 7, or 4x is equal to minus 7. So the option C is the right answer for the question number 2, option C. Next, in which of these figures will the diagonals be perpendicular bisectors of each others? Diagonals are perpendicular bisectors. So in this one, rectangle is there, square, parallelogram, trapezium. So it's very clear that in a square, diagonals are perpendicular bisectors. So option B. You can go for option B for the question number 6. Which shows a correct procedure for finding 1 by 5 minus 1 by 3. So this is the testing for basics. How do you subtract the fractions? So the A and B, it shows the students' tendency that they will subtract numerator with numerator, denominator with denominator. But that is not the correct one. And C also little wrong in that one. So therefore D is the right one. We'll take LCM for 5 and 3. That is 5 into 3. So just like a cross multiplication, 3 will come on 3 into 1 3 minus 1 into 5 5. So 3 minus 5 by 5 into 3, that is the right answer. So option D. Next, question number 7. Solving the equation 7 minus of 2 minus x is equal to x plus 2. Which of the following can be concluded? So here if you simplify that one, 7 minus 2 plus x is equal to x plus 2. So x plus 2, this side also x is there plus x, so that side also x is there. So hence the result, see the options, both sides x gets cancelled. So that's not the right expression. See, the possible value of x is 7 by 2, possible value of x is 7 by 4. There are many possible values of x. There are no possible values of x. Which one should we go? There are no possible values of x. Because x gets cancelled, that means that for no value it is equal. See, 7 plus 2, it becomes 7 minus 2 is 5. 5 is equal to 2 you are getting. X value, take it any value, it's not correct. So therefore, there is no possible values of x. If you want, I show the explanation. You just see here. It is 7 minus 2 plus x. This is equal to x plus 2 given. Hence what happens? This here also x is there, here also x is there. This 7 minus 2 is what? 5. 5 plus x is equal to x plus 2. That is what giving the solution. So here for no value of x, For no value of x, 5 plus x is equal to x plus 2. That's correct. So therefore, no value satisfies this. There are no possible values of x. That's correct. So option D we can go. Now, question number 8. If p comma q and r are rational numbers, which of the following equations is are true? P, Q, R are rational numbers. So this here P into Q plus R is equal to P into Q plus Q into R. P into R, sorry. This is the distributive property. Multiplication is distributive over addition. P into Q minus R is equal to P into Q minus P into R. This is the distributive property over subtraction. This is also true. So P into Q into R is equal to P into Q into P into R. This is the wrong one because rational numbers or multiplication is not distributive over multiplication. P plus of Q into R. P plus Q into P plus R. So this is also wrong one. Therefore, 1 and 2 are possible. So options if you come, only 1 and 2, only 1, 2 and 3, only 1, 2 and 4. So 1 and 2 are correct. So option B is the right answer. For this one, option B. For question number 8, option B. Now we look at question number 9. See the question number 9 here. What is the measure of angle PQR in the parallelogram PQRS given below? So if you clearly observe this one, here the angle 44, this angle will be equal to this angle. So here it is 44. So that means if this is 44, what is the reason? Alternate angles. So these two lines are parallel. This is parallel to this one. This is transversal. So these two are alternate angles or equal. Hence this total angle is 75 degrees. So option B. Now in the question number 10, the measures of 4 angles of a quadrilateral are 60, 72 and 108 and 120. All angles are different. Which can be said about the quadrilateral? Option A, it has to be a trapezium. It has to be a rhombus. It could be any parallelogram. A quadrilateral with 4 such angles is not possible. So first one, it has to be a trapezium. Suppose if you look at as a trapezium, so in the trapezium generally let's draw a trapezium. Let's draw a trapezium with all different angles. See there. So here one condition is there in a trapezium. These two lines are parallel. Hence this angles made by the non-parallel sides with the parallel sides are supplementary. This angle plus this angle must be 180. This angle plus this angle must be 180. Now suppose if I take it, this one is 60 degrees and this is 72 and this is how much? 108 and this is 120. Now it is satisfying. 120 plus 60, 180. 108 plus 72 is 180. Therefore, this has to be a trapezium. So option A is correct. Because it has to be rhombus is wrong because opposite angles must be equal. In a parallelogram also opposite angles must be equal. A quadrilateral not possible is not correct because sum of the angles is 360. It is possible. So our option A is the right answer. In the question number 12, 331 by 249 and divided by 331 by 249. The same number divided by the same number will get 1. So that direct question only. Maybe the numbers are bigger, but it's same numbers. So same numbers are non-zero numbers divided by the same number. It's always equal to 1. So option A. Next, which of these pairs of rational numbers? When multiplied gives the result as -1 for any value of p. So here also it is not possible for A, option A and option B, option C. Option D also not exactly correct actually because for any value of p it is mentioned. If you take p is equal to 0, then it also won't be correct. But the better option is D except for 0. So we'll go for option D for 13th question. And in the question number 14, so 3 divided by 13 is not equal to 13 divided by 3. That is commutative property not satisfied under division. And B option is associative property under division not satisfied. So in C, 3 divided by 3 plus 3, that means 3 by 6, it's 1 by 2. Here 3 divided by 3 is 1, 1 divided by 1, 1 plus 1, that is 2. So 1 by 2 and 2 are not equal, hence that is also not correct answer. So option D is the right. If you do the simplification, it will be minus 10 by 3, and the other side also you will get minus 10 by 3. So you can see the explanation here. So 1 minus 13 by 3, that gives you minus 10 by 3. So the option D is the right answer. And what is the solution for 3x minus 5 is equal to 9? So it is a direct question. So 3x is equal to 14, x is equal to 14 by 3, option C. Okay, right. So we have missed one question here. So we'll go to that question number 4, I think. In the question number 4, here the question number 4. This question number 4, actually we need not to work out for this one. Question number 4, they asked Ritu, Tarun and Imran did the following operations on minus 12 by 55 and 15 by 31. Who will get a rational number? So because two rational numbers, if you operate anything, that you will get for 4 fundamental operations, you will get again rational number only. So either you do addition or subtraction or multiplication or division on rational numbers, you will get rational number only, except for 0. If you take in the denominator 0, it will be a non-rational number. So hence it is not 0. So therefore all are correct. Everyone will get a rational number. Therefore that is option C. All Ritu, Tarun and Imran will get a rational number. So that's correct. The question number 5. In a parallelogram, MNOP will be a rectangle when diagonals MO and NP are. Obviously, in a parallelogram, if diagonals are equal, then it becomes a rectangle. So it's a direct question only. The diagonals need not be perpendicular for rectangle and need not be perpendicular bisectors for being a rectangle. So therefore, option A is the right answer for 5. So I hope you got all answers. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for VY Maths.